We're going to rationalize the denominator in this problem, and our goal is to get rid of the radicals in the denominator. To do this, we're going to multiply the top and the bottom of our fraction by the denominator, but we're going to change the sign on it. Instead of having a subtraction, we're going to have an addition. We call this the conjugate of the denominator. Big word that just means, hey, instead of subtracting, add. Instead of adding, subtract. So I like to go ahead and put some parentheses in here because it will help us to remember to use the distributive property when we are multiplying here. So we're going to multiply the square root of a times 7 times the square root of a. So square root of a times square root of a, that just gives me a. Then let's multiply square root of a times square root of b. Because they're both under radicals, we can go ahead and multiply them as long as we keep them under a radical. Now let's multiply here. 7 square root of a times 7 square root of a, that gives me 49a. 7 square root of a times square root of b gives me 7 square root of ab. Negative square root of b times 7 square root of a gives me minus 7 square root of ab. Watch the sign there. Oops. And then my last one, I'm going to do negative square root of b times square root of b. That's minus b. Okay, let's clean it up a little bit. It's not pretty. That's okay. We know the numerator is going to stay the same. I've got this 49a. Look at those nice things in the middle that cancel out, minus b. Be real careful. You cannot cancel the a's here, nor can you reduce the 7 and the 49 because they're, we might say, married by these addition and subtractions to the other terms. So this actually is our final answer. We have accomplished our task, which was to get rid of the radicals in the denominator.